The open-source utility gogcli serves exclusively as an administrative and agentic bridge for Google services. It has no institutional or technical relationship to the GOG.com digital gaming storefront. The project was developed by software engineer Peter Steinberger as a foundational sensory and actuation layer. It was designed specifically to support polyglot autonomous agents, like OpenClaw, allowing them to interface securely with cloud productivity suites. Native Google Workspace APIs are atomic and granular. Extracting text or applying a label requires precise manipulation of distinct resource objects and multiple network round trips. Furthermore, their modern OAuth 2.0 flows are engineered around synchronous, browser-based human consent. Large language models cannot safely navigate these granular endpoints. Autonomous reasoning engines require deterministic, explicitly typed interfaces to translate complex API operations into predictable workflows without human intervention. gogcli resolves this friction. It operates precisely at the intersection of human-computer interaction and agent-computer interaction, wrapping complex network operations into cohesive, task-first commands. The gogcli binary acts as a central gateway, selectively exposing typed interfaces for humans, AI, or CI pipelines before routing requests to Google APIs. Resolving this impedance mismatch is vital to securely deploy large language models into enterprise productivity environments. A single command line utility serving human administrators, continuous integration pipelines, and autonomous AI simultaneously must guarantee execution stability. To guarantee this stability, the architecture enforces strict input-output separation. All stable, heavily structured data payloads are routed exclusively to standard out. When programmatic consumers invoke the "results-only" flag, the CLI strips extraneous API envelope fields and pagination cursors from the response. Emitting solely the primary data payload minimizes network overhead and preserves precious space in highly constrained LLM context windows. To maintain diagnostic isolation, all interactive prompts, progress indicators, and runtime warnings are diverted strictly to standard error. Failing to isolate these streams guarantees failure. Unstructured diagnostic logs will inevitably poison sensitive downstream data pipelines and corrupt LLM context ingestion. For continuous integration and headless deployments, any hanging prompt represents a fatal operational blockage. The "non-interactive" flag converts any request for human input into an immediate execution termination with a predictable, documented exit code. By aggressively guaranteeing structured output and eliminating hanging prompts, gogcli transforms volatile cloud network responses into a mathematically stable foundation for programmatic orchestration. Moving to the identity subsystem, integrating browser-based OAuth 2.0 flows into headless Linux VPS servers creates a profound structural conflict. To fortify the authorization flow against interception, the primary mechanisms employ S256 proof key for code exchange, or PKCE. Because PKCE relies on a local, stateful verifier, remote URL generation and the final local token verification must execute against the exact same configuration directory to cryptographically validate. Deploying this infrastructure on Google Cloud Platform introduces the phantom expiration trap for testing status applications. If an unverified application requests broad user data scopes, the refresh token will expire silently after exactly 7 days. To maintain continuous agent operation, administrators must navigate to the GCP audience page and transition the application publishing status to in production. Alternatively, they must rigorously architect around Google's strict limit of 100 refresh tokens per client ID, as exceeding this silently invalidates the oldest active tokens. Even with valid tokens, containerized deployments introduce cryptographic fragility. Native OS keyrings fail completely in Docker or systemd environments lacking a debus session, necessitating a fallback to an encrypted file-based keyring. Warning tone: this file-based keyring requires precise environment management. Unexpected system reboots or transient environment variable drops cause catastrophic AES.key unwrap integrity failures. The underlying decryption routine cannot validate the cryptographic payload, permanently locking the token store. An agent's reasoning capabilities are secondary to the stability of its authentication state. If the underlying cryptographic daemon fails due to environment divergence or undocumented quota limits, the agent loses its capacity to act entirely. Exposing a generic command line wrapper capable of running arbitrary shell commands to a hallucinating generative model is an unacceptable security vulnerability. Returning to this architectural diagram, the bottom left interaction node details the solution. gogcli natively exposes a Model Context Protocol, or MCP, Stadio server to create a statically typed interface for the reasoning engine. The server registers explicit, well-defined tools to the connecting LLM client, mapping distinct Google APIs to specific commands like Gmail search or docsget. External orchestration frameworks dynamically generate service skills that remain perfectly synchronized with the compiled CLI by executing the gogschema.json command. These generated schemas provide the AI with explicit declarative instructions regarding required parameters, expected data formats, and precise operational boundaries. The security posture of this server defaults to a highly defensive stance. It initializes strictly in read-only mode, requiring the human operator to pass complex command line arguments to explicitly opt in to mutation capabilities. MCP shifts the engineering focus. Rather than hoping an AI generates the correct shell syntax, the system structurally constrains the model, forcing it to communicate strictly through pre-vetted, highly restricted endpoints. Relying on perimeter runtime security, like passing a -read-only flag via the shell, is insufficient. A compromised or sophisticated agent can dynamically rewrite its own shell arguments to strip those constraints. To solve the agent safety dilemma, gogcli utilizes safety profiles. This shifts the defense from mutable execution arguments to immutable compilation constraints. By executing a build script against a declarative YAML policy file, operators compile a bespoke Go binary. As a result, unauthorized execution paths are physically and structurally severed from the executable before it is ever deployed. If an agent utilizing the read-only binary attempts to inject a mutation flag like -allow write, the binary terminates it immediately with exit code 2. Precise. This termination occurs unconditionally prior to any internal logic handler or remote Google API network call being invoked. Baking restrictive policies directly into the executable's compiled structure ensures that unauthorized actions are not merely discouraged by the model's instructions, but structurally absent from the runtime environment. This eliminates the risk of an agent bypassing local safety flags via manipulated shell arguments. Viewing this complete architectural diagram again, we see the verified bridge in its entirety. The tool successfully closes the gap between human endpoints and automated agents. It combines stable data routing, sophisticated multi-tenant OAuth state management, native MCP typing, and compile-time immutable safety boundaries. Maintaining this infrastructure requires rigorous software lifecycle management, utilizing highly automated pipelines driven by GoReleaser. The artifact generation process enforces uncompromising constraints. The macOS release workflow purposefully fails closed if base64 encoded developer ID signing certificates are absent or invalid. These verified releases support a broad ecosystem, ranging from native container deployments via immutable GitHub container registry images to community forks expanding local automation capabilities. As enterprise automation scales from individual headless scripts to massive concurrent agent armies, infrastructural bridges like gogcli prove that deterministic interfaces and immutable structural boundaries are necessary prerequisites for secure AI productivity.